In this video, we're going to walk through how to connect Go High Level with Housecall Pro, and we'll also take a quick dive into what Housecall Pro is and why it can be a game changer for your business. If you're looking to integrate these two powerful tools to streamline your processes, this is the video for you. Now, if you're new to Housecall Pro, it's a service management software primarily designed for home service businesses. Whether you're in plumbing, HVAC, or another field, Housecall Pro lets you schedule jobs, manage your team, send invoices, and more, all from one app. It helps you run your business more efficiently and ultimately deliver better customer experiences. Go High Level, on the other hand, is an all-in-one marketing platform that helps you automate your marketing efforts, manage your customer relationships, and streamline your lead generation. When you combine the capabilities of these two platforms, you get a powerful duo for managing and growing your business. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Go High Level with Housecall Pro so you can maximize both tools' potential. First, let's talk about the integration. To connect Go High Level with Housecall Pro, you'll need to use a tool like Zapier or Integromat, which helps link your apps and automate workflows. While Go High Level doesn't have a native integration with Housecall Pro right now, using these automation tools, you can create zaps or scenarios to sync your data between the two platforms. For instance, let's say you want to automatically add new Housecall Pro customers to Go High Level so you can follow up with them through automated emails or SMS campaigns. In Zapier, you'd create a new zap, where the trigger event is a new customer in Housecall Pro. The action would then be to create a new contact in Go High Level. It's that simple. Once it's set up, your customers are automatically synced across both platforms, saving you time and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. One powerful feature of Housecall Pro is its ability to track job statuses, customer interactions, and payments, which can be invaluable for follow-up campaigns. By syncing this data with Go High Level, you can set up automated reminders, appointment confirmations, and even send post-job surveys to your customers to keep your service top-notch. Setting up this integration might sound a bit technical if you're new to automation, but don't worry. It's all about following a few simple steps. First, log into your Zapier account, or Integromat if you prefer. Then, connect both your Go High Level and Housecall Pro accounts. From there, it's just a matter of setting up your triggers and actions. You'll need to map out what you want to happen automatically, like syncing customer info, job status updates, or reminders, and Zapier will handle the rest. But here's the kicker. Automating your workflows between Go High Level and Housecall Pro can save you hours of manual work. No more double entering customer details or tracking job statuses manually. And with the power of Go High Level's automation features, like email and SMS marketing, you can create personalized follow-ups that nurture your relationships with customers. This integration also allows you to track leads and automate your sales pipeline. With Go High Level, you can create an entire funnel that nurtures leads from the moment they book an appointment in Housecall Pro all the way through to converting them into repeat customers. Having all of this data in one place gives you a clear picture of your customer journey, allowing you to make data-driven decisions and optimize your processes. So, if you're ready to take your business to the next level with Go High Level and Housecall Pro, make sure you grab the free trial link below. Not only will you get access to both platforms, but we've also secured exclusive bonuses for you to get started. You can try both platforms without any commitments, so you have nothing to lose. Don't forget to set up those automated workflows to save you time and effort and watch your business grow. The integration between Go High Level and Housecall Pro is a game changer, and I'm sure once you implement it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. And before you go, remember that you can grab an extended free trial to both Go High Level and Housecall Pro using the link in the description below. Try them both for free and get exclusive bonuses to help you grow your business even faster.